so cool. And you play good. First, I want to know, how did you get the way you are? I mean, because you must be incredibly inquisitive. And
Yeah.
I mean, what was your life like? What was your schooling like, and what was your life like early on?
Well, I'm sort of like a research scientist. I'm not a scientist in the strictest sense, more research. Research has to take a number of different areas into consideration. If I get into pathology and psychopathology or pathophysiology, I have to take areas of philosophy, psychology. There's just so many different areas you have to take into consideration when you're studying, let's say, bipolar 1 manic episode or mental disorders, mental disease as a whole. This is not supposed to be an intellectual show. This is supposed to...
Come on, man.
I didn't want to come here and have this discussion.
Listen,
I wanted this.
Listen, I don't know what to say, but some of this stuff I don't get. I told you that already. But like, what can you teach me? Like, what's the most vital thing I need to know with your knowledge? Like, what if you can teach me anything? What would you teach me?
Not really teach, but just, man, I think you are extraordinary, my friend. And I've seen a number of people discuss in forums, interactive platforms where people would actually discuss in your show and how extraordinary, the Jeff Richards show is, how extraordinary you are, and spot on when it comes to these impersonations.
No, first off, this is not Jeff Richards. This is not Jeff Richards. You understand?
Jimmy Falcon. Yeah, absolutely.
Jimmy